Okay, this is a field of Madrigal, the Nunham's hybrid artichoke variety. As you can see, it's a very prolific type with a large number of good sized artichokes. And these ones, you're looking at something which is going to make a box count, probably an 18, that one, 18 artichokes to the standard box. And you've already cut the primary bud out, so that one's gone. On all these plants you'll find the primary gone, and we're looking at these secondary, tertiary chokes, which are going to make in the 18-24 bracket, which is the most valuable grade to get them at. Okay, the primary ones probably went into 12s. But as you can see, Madrigal is very, very prolific and produces a good abundance of these large artichokes. So you've got this single, this is just a good example. You've got a single plant, you've taken a centre one out, then you've got 1, 2, 3, which you're going to make, they could cut these now and they'd probably be in the 18-24 bracket. And you've got these second ones, this 1, 2, 3, they're going to probably make it into 18s, 24s, just depends. You've even got another one there. And then you've got the small ones coming through. There's only one on this plant, but some of the others will have several small ones which could make it into sort of, I don't know, 48s, 60s, which do have some value, but of course not as much as the smaller counts. So Madrigal from Nunham's seeds, very prolific. Stays tight. The beauty of this variety is that it stays very tight in when the weather warms up a little bit. So we grow it now throughout the season. This area is particularly close to the coastline. The ocean is probably, I don't know, less than half a mile away, just over the brow of this hill. Got nice eucalyptus trees over there. Fog. If that fog was gone, you'd be able to see the ocean. So next to this piece, here's the two. This is where they finish planting from this section, and then you've got these ones which are then to follow on from this side. So you've got this side, prolific. This side now coming along. This one will be ready to cut, I don't know, 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, because the season has now started to slow down. So this is Madrigal. Typical Madrigal shows a little bit of purple as it comes through. The high light levels will get rid of that, and then you're left with these big chokes, and very uniform. One of the criticisms many breeding programs have is lack of uniformity. Well, we've got our uniformity spot on. All these plants are producing chokes within a 3-week, 4-week time span, and you can actually go through and cut these with a lot less passes than you can the traditional open pollinated varieties. And remember, this is a seeded choke, very uniform, very high yielding. This has got 2,800 plants per acre, and we're probably looking at just under 1,000 boxes. And that is valuable boxes. That's not the 60 counts. It's the 18s, 24s, maybe there'll be some 36s, but a very high number of those boxes are going to be in the very valuable grades. So it's a very, very good variety. Madrigal from Nunham's, the seed company.